In this video, we're going to solve 2003 AP Calculus AB FRQ question, Form B. Question number 6. It says, let f be the function satisfying f prime of x equals x root f of x for all real numbers x where f of 3 equals 25. Find f double prime of 3. Okay, so we need to take the derivative of this. So let me put a. F double prime of x is going to equal, the derivative of the front is going to be, well, of x is 1, f of x. Plus now we have to do the derivative of the inside, and now just think about this as this. Root f of x is the same thing as, well, put the x here. So x, and this is f of x raised to the 1/2, right? So if we take the derivative of this, it's going to be 1/2. And this thing will drop inside the root over here over x. Okay, now we want to find where f double prime of 3. Okay, so now we're just going to plug in. Oh, times the derivative of the inside. You can't forget about that, right? So you're going to get f prime of x. Can't forget about that. Okay, so now we have to plug in 3. So if we plug in 3, we're going to get f of 3 is 25, so root of 25 plus 3, f prime of 3, f prime of 3. What would that be? 3 times 25, 3 times 5, which would be 15, right? Yeah, that would be 15, wouldn't it? Over 2 times root of 25, which is 5. So now we're going to get 5 plus 45 over 10, 5 plus, what's this going to be? 5. You could divide by 5, so you're going to get 9 halves, which is going to be 19 halves. Okay, so part B. Knowing algebra. Write an expression for y equals f of x by solving the differential equation dy over dx equals x root y with the initial condition f of 3 equals 25. So we're going to have to separate the variables. So dy, let me put this over here, y to the negative 1/2 when you move it, equals x dx. So we're going to have to add 1, we're going to get 1/2, so we're going to get 2 root y equals x squared over 2 plus c, and we know our condition is 3 comma 25, so let's plug that in. So we're going to get 2 root 25 is 5 equals 9 halves plus c. So now we're going to get 10 equals 9 halves plus c. This is going to be 20, so 11 halves. Is it going to be 11 halves? Yeah, c equals 11 halves. Okay, so now let's plug that back in. Move this over so I have a little bit more room. So working off of this, we get 2 root y equals x over 2 squared plus 11 halves. So now we're going to get root y equals x squared over 4 plus 11 over 4 because you divide by 2. Now we're going to have to square both sides. So now we're going to get y equals x squared plus 11 quantity all over 4 quantity squared. And technically you could just put the 16 on the bottom and keep it squared. So you could say y equals x squared plus 11 quantity squared over 16. Okay, and I think that's it. That was actually a simple question with I think part A was probably the most annoying part. And I hope this video helped, and I'll see you guys next time.